Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for FET price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the daily chart for the bullish and bearish scenario that we might have, and the highest possibility of course that we might get in the next hours, days, weeks and even months. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 impulse toward the upside can be playing as a wave 1 here, and of course you're looking at a wave 2 probably, and a 3, 4, 5 toward the upside. Very bullish scenario where you have already double 1-2s here and you're looking for a massive explosive wave 3 for higher prices. Meaning this wave 1 here in the yellow scenario might have of course higher wave 3 of course for an impulse and not a contracting diagonal that we might also have as an A, B and a C. Wave A is an impulse correction 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for an impulse for a wave C, meaning you can read it as A, B and a C, and that because your wave 3 is also an A, B and a C, meaning of course you can have here a very nice leading diagonal of course for FET finishing a wave 1 and then of course moving toward the downside for a wave 2 and continuation toward the upside for massive and explosive wave 3. Another bullish scenario is W, X and a Y. You finish 3 waves toward the upside, whatever those waves are. It is a WXY because the wave Y has finished in 3 wave structure and you're looking for a 3 wave toward the downside, meaning 3 waves up, 3 waves down, continuation toward the upside, meaning bullish as well from this area probably. And of course those were our bullish scenario. Now our bearish scenario, which is of course can be a wave B here, starting from this leg from the top here that it has started in the beginning of FET. A 3 waves down for up for B, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a wave C, of course finishing this wave C somehow with a wave 2 as well, probably in case we are in a wave 2, because you can consider this as well as 1 ABC for a wave 2 as well in case you are bullish, and continuation toward the upside. Meaning of course you have two bearish scenarios as well. Yeah? So we can have here a wave A, 3 waves up for your wave B, wave C, and you can have 1 ABC for this wave 2 and then looking for higher prices. Targets for the bearish scenario is of course that you have here a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like an impulse, 2 and then 3 which is 1.618, then 4 and a 5 to finish of course those counting here for a wave C or for a wave 2. However, still a lower possibility. We need to break a lot of levels before, and we need to invalidate many bullish scenarios before we get to this price action. Therefore, still higher possibility currently is for the bullish. And in the most bullish scenario where you have 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 here, your perfect target would be of course this level here, where we can see it much more closer on the 4-hour chart. Here we go. We can see of course that this target is so much in confluence for a wave 2, because we can hit of course the 0.38 Fib level, given of course at this area 0.71. We have already broke it and we are currently moving towards the 0.5, which is much more likely to be of course a wave 2 target. Now if you are also in the daily here, also let's go back a little bit to the daily. If we are in the leading diagonal for 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, your perfect target for a leading diagonal of course can be as well the same level, where you would like to hit of course the same level here for this leading diagonal as a wave 4, 0.38, 0.5 Fib level, and preferably of course in A, B and a C, where your wave C has to hit of course the 1-to-1 Fib level, given of course at 0.42. Now if we can see this wave C here is very close to finish and very close to hit the 1.618, probably as a wave 3, probably one more leg towards the downside to hit perfectly the 1-to-1 Fib level at 0.42 cents. So we're gonna see of course closer what we have. Another scenario in confluence for this level is the 3 waves up, 3 waves down, which once it is finished we are moving toward the upside. If we are bearish as well, we would like to see of course as well here a 1, 2 as well rebound towards the upside, and then 3, 4, 5 towards more lower prices, because you have 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 4 and a 5, of course. So yeah, a rebound should be taken as well in all case scenarios, right? So this is the thing. Now inside the 4-hour chart, as you can see, we are finally inside the blue box as expected. So the next targets are exactly, to be much more precise, are these ones. Yeah, the 1-to-1 fib level for an AB and a C, and the 1.618 for a 1, 2, and a 3. Yeah, so you are in 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for a wave 3, and then 4 and a 5 toward the downside, of course, to finish this scenario, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, so actually we need to adjust this a little bit here. Let's add another 1, 2 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Here we go. So yes, this is much clearer counting. Okay, here we go, and here we go. So basically, even we might not dive so much deeper. Yeah, here we go. 4, it might be up. 5, finishing wave C exactly here with a wave 4, probably wave B as well. Here we go. Yeah. So these are the scenarios, guys. And very, very important level here. Yeah, very important level in Confluence. So we need to watch this zone. It is very critical. 0.55 and 0.43 cents are the most critical levels for a bullish, of course. Now, if it comes for me, of course, I mean, if we are 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 4 and a 5, well, yeah, I would take a small risk, of course. It depends on your, of course, portfolio, guys, and risk management. No financial advice, but I would take, of course, inside this blue box, I would take it, whatever it is. Even a small risk, like 1%, 2%, of course. No financial advice, guys, but this is how it should be, right? So, because anyways, this zone, whatever, it moved a little bit down and up at the end, it's gonna be very, very bullish, right? In all case scenarios. So these are the things inside FET. Of course, higher possibility is to take this low and then rebound to the upside. We're gonna see how this can unfold. Of course, don't forget that this still can open, for lower prices, and of course to hit the perfect blue box, and of course moving higher in case, of course, we are very bullish. That was it for FET. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.